As an avid home cook and kitchen gadget enthusiast, I've always been on the lookout for appliances that can revolutionize my culinary experience. When I first heard about the Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer, I was immediately intrigued. Its unique vertical design promised to solve the age-old problem of limited counter space without compromising on cooking capacity. After several weeks of rigorous testing, I'm excited to share my in-depth review of this innovative appliance. First impressions and design. When the Ninja Double Stack XL arrived at my doorstep, I was struck by its sleek and modern appearance. The stainless steel exterior exudes a premium feel that would complement any kitchen aesthetic. As I unboxed it, I was pleasantly surprised by its compact footprint compared to traditional side-by-side dual-drawer air fryers. Standing at 15.14 inches tall, 11.25 inches deep, and 19.22 inches wide, it truly lives up to its space-saving claims. The air fryer boasts an impressive 10-quart capacity, split between two 5-quart drawers stacked vertically. Each drawer comes equipped with a non-stick crisper plate and a stainless steel rack, effectively doubling the cooking surface and allowing for up to 4 layers of food to be cooked simultaneously. This feature immediately piqued my interest, as I often find myself preparing meals for my family of 4 or entertaining guests. Setup and controls. Setting up the Ninja Double Stack XL was a breeze. The intuitive control panel is located on the right side of the unit, making it easy to access and operate. The digital display is clear and bright, showing cooking time, temperature, and selected functions at a glance. The air fryer offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, max crisp, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate, providing versatility for various cooking needs. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its dual-zone technology, which allows you to cook 2 different foods at 2 different temperatures and times, ensuring they finish simultaneously. This is a game changer for meal preparation, especially when juggling multiple components of a dish. Performance and cooking results. Now, let's dive into the performance of the Ninja Double Stack XL. I started with a classic air fryer test: French fries. I filled one drawer with frozen fries and set it to air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. The results were impressive: crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and evenly cooked throughout. However, I did notice that the fries at the front of the drawer were slightly more brown than those at the back, requiring a shake or two during cooking for optimal results. Next, I decided to put the dual-zone technology to the test by preparing a complete meal. In the top drawer, I placed chicken breasts seasoned with herbs and spices, while the bottom drawer held a medley of vegetables. I set different cooking times and temperatures for each drawer and pressed the Smart Finish button to ensure both would be ready simultaneously. True to its promise, both the chicken and vegetables were perfectly cooked and ready to serve at the same time. The chicken was juicy and tender with a nicely browned exterior, while the vegetables were crisp, tender, and caramelized. One concern I had initially was whether the vertical stack design would affect cooking performance. While I did notice some slight unevenness in browning, particularly with foods placed at the very back of the drawers, it wasn't significant enough to be a deal breaker. A simple shake or rotation midway through cooking usually resolved this issue. Capacity and versatility. The Ninja Double Stack XL truly shines when it comes to cooking larger quantities or multiple components of a meal. I was able to cook a whole 4-pound chicken in one drawer while roasting potatoes in the other, making it perfect for family dinners or small gatherings. The ability to cook different foods at different temperatures simultaneously is a significant time saver and energy-efficient feature. To further test its capacity, I experimented with various dishes. I successfully air-fried 2 pounds of chicken wings, resulting in crispy skin and juicy meat. In another test, I made a batch of homemade sweet potato fries, which turned out deliciously crisp with minimal oil. The air fryer also handled delicate foods well. I prepared a salmon fillet that came out flaky and moist, with a perfectly crisp exterior. Energy efficiency. Speaking of energy efficiency, I was pleasantly surprised by the power consumption of this air fryer. Despite its large capacity, it uses up to 55% less energy than a traditional oven, according to Ninja's claims. While I couldn't verify this exact percentage, I did notice a decrease in my energy bills compared to when I primarily used my conventional oven for similar cooking tasks. The air fryer operates at 1800 watts, which is standard for appliances of this size. However, its efficient cooking method means it typically requires less cooking time than a conventional oven, further contributing to energy savings. Cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning the Ninja Double Stack XL is a breeze thanks to the non-stick coating on the drawers and crisper plates. Both are dishwasher safe, but I found that a quick hand wash with warm, soapy water was usually sufficient to remove any food residue. The stainless steel racks required a bit more scrubbing if food got stuck between the wires, but overall, maintenance was straightforward and hassle-free. One aspect that impressed me was how quiet the air fryer operates. While it's not silent, the noise level is considerably lower than some other air fryers I've used in the past. This makes it pleasant to use in open-concept living spaces without disturbing conversations or TV watching. Food taste and quality. As for the taste of the food, I found that the Ninja Double Stack XL consistently produced delicious results. From crispy chicken wings to perfectly roasted vegetables, the air fryer imparted a nice crunch to foods that typically require deep frying, all while using little to no oil. Even baked goods like cookies and muffins turned out well, though they required some experimentation to get the timing and temperature just right. The air fryer also excels at reheating leftovers, breathing new life into day-old pizza and fried foods that would otherwise become soggy in a microwave. The dehydrate function, while not something I use frequently, worked well for making dried fruit snacks and beef jerky. Additional features and accessories. The Ninja Double Stack XL comes with a comprehensive recipe book that includes a variety of dishes specifically designed for this air fryer. I found this to be a helpful starting point, especially for figuring out cooking times and temperatures for different types of food. However, as with any new appliance, there is a bit of a learning curve, and I found myself adjusting cooking times and temperatures to suit my preferences as I became more familiar with the unit. In addition to the recipe book, the air fryer comes with a quick start guide and a comprehensive user manual. These resources were invaluable in getting acquainted with all the features and functions of the appliance. Durability and warranty. In terms of durability, the Ninja Double Stack XL feels solidly built. After several weeks of regular use, all components are still functioning perfectly, and the non-stick coating shows no signs of wear. The air fryer comes with a 1-year limited warranty, which provides some peace of mind regarding its longevity. Price and value. Price-wise, the Ninja Double Stack XL sits at the higher end of the air fryer market. However, considering its capacity, versatility, and space-saving design, I believe it offers good value for money, especially for those with limited counter space or larger families. Potential drawbacks. One minor gripe I have is with the depth of the drawers. While the vertical design is great for saving counter space, it can make it slightly awkward to reach food at the back of the drawer, especially when it's hot. Using tongs or a spatula helps, but it's something to be mindful of when loading and unloading food. Additionally, while the air fryer does an excellent job with most foods, I found that some dishes that require very high heat, such as certain types of pizza, didn't achieve quite the same level of crispiness as they would in a traditional oven. However, this is a common limitation of most air fryers and not specific to this model. Comparison to other air fryers. Compared to other air fryers I've used, the Ninja Double Stack XL stands out for its unique vertical design and dual-zone cooking capability. While some other brands offer dual-drawer models, they typically have a larger footprint. The Ninja's vertical configuration is a clever solution for those who want the benefits of a large-capacity air fryer without sacrificing too much counter space. In terms of cooking performance, the Ninja Double Stack XL holds its own against other high-end air fryers. Its temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit is on par with or exceeds many competitors, allowing for a wide variety of cooking methods from low-temperature dehydrating to high-heat crisping. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer has become an indispensable tool in my kitchen. Its innovative vertical design, large capacity, and ability to cook multiple foods simultaneously make it stand out in a crowded market of air fryers. While it's not without its minor flaws, such as slight uneven browning and the awkwardness of reaching into deep drawers, these are far outweighed by its benefits. The convenience of being able to prepare entire meals quickly and with less energy consumption than a traditional oven is a significant advantage. The consistently delicious results, from crispy fries to juicy meats and perfectly roasted vegetables, make it a versatile appliance that I find myself reaching for daily. For those with limited counter space who don't want to compromise on cooking capacity, or for families and entertainers who frequently cook larger quantities, the Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer is definitely worth considering. Its ability to streamline meal preparation while producing tasty, healthier versions of favorite foods makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. While it may require a bit of experimentation to master, the Ninja Double Stack XL Air Fryer has certainly earned its place in my culinary arsenal. It's an appliance that combines innovation, performance, and convenience in a sleek, space-saving package, a true kitchen game changer for the modern home cook.